Justin Wege. I am the department chair for the Ag Mechanics program and the Precision Ag program here at the college. I teach Ag Mechanics classes, I teach precision classes, I teach some agronomy classes. I grew up on a farm, and that's where I originally, over by New London, so about half an hour from here. I went to college at River Falls, have an engineering degree. I did some test engineering work for numerous companies. I did tech support, and then ultimately before I came here I worked at a dealership. I was both a technician and then transitioned into a service manager. I was bringing a student up here to look at the Ag Mechanics program, and I happened to run into a former instructor here, Tom Yost, and he said, hey, by the way, we're hiring, are you interested in doing this? I would say the biggest reason I took the job opportunity was to make a difference. Seeing what we were seeing on entry-level technicians coming into a dealership and seeing where they struggle, being able to bring those life experiences back and apply them into the classroom to hopefully prepare people better on their part when they enter the workforce. I enjoy that every day is something different here. So I teach a lot of classes that are not taught traditionally in the classroom on campus. We have a lot of classes that are taught from out in the field remotely. So every day is a new experience on my part. One thing that might surprise me, I started in the medical career. So when I left high school and I went to college, I started as pre-med, and I switched over really quickly and went back to what I knew. So a lot of people wouldn't know that I worked in an emergency room, I drove an ambulance, I was doing all that stuff while I was going to college. And now I do none of that, and I'm right back to what I know is farming. I've really enjoyed all my jobs. It's, you know, what's best for myself, what's best for the family, how can I help out, I think really makes me happy, and right now I'm happy being here. I'm really happy with working with students, really hoping that they take the stuff back to them and they utilize it, and in hopes that our ag field stays strong, and that's really my goal.